Porsche 911 GT3 RS Manthey Kit, a downforce masterpiece. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS is already a marvel of engineering, but the addition of the Manthey Kit takes its performance to an entirely new level. Designed for drivers who demand extreme aerodynamics, sharper handling, and track-focused enhancements, the Manthey Kit turns the GT3 RS into a beast of precision and speed, all while maintaining Porsche's factory warranty. What is the Manthey Kit? Manthey Racing, a German performance powerhouse now owned by Porsche, specializes in endurance racing and motorsport-inspired upgrades. The Manthey Kit for the GT3 RS is their latest masterpiece, combining functional aero enhancements and mechanical upgrades for ultimate performance. The kit transforms the GT3 RS visually and functionally. Highlights include carbon fiber aero covers. Installed on the rear wheels, these covers reduce air resistance and add a sleek race-ready look. Passive aero enhancements. A larger carbon fiber front lip, gurney flaps on the fenders, a shark fin-style rear panel, and a towering rear wing generate an incredible 2,200 pounds of downforce, 500 pounds more than the standard GT3 RS. Redesigned rear diffuser. A widened and extended design improves stability at high speeds. Despite the aggressive downforce increase, Porsche claims the kit doesn't add drag, ensuring high-speed efficiency remains uncompromised. Suspension and handling upgrades. Aerodynamics are just the beginning. The Manthey Kit revamps the GT3 RS's suspension with stiffer springs, a 30% increase in stiffness at the front, and 15% at the rear for better control under high downforce. Enhanced dampers. Semi-active coilovers now feature an updated control unit for quicker response. In track mode, drivers can fine-tune the dampers to their preferences, allowing maximum customization for specific circuits. Improved braking performance. With enhanced cornering speeds and greater momentum, upgraded braking is essential. The Manthey Kit includes steel-sheathed brake lines for durability and offers racing compound pads for cars equipped with Porsche ceramic composite brakes, ensuring the GT3 RS stops as impressively as it accelerates. Style meets functionality. The Manthey Kit doesn't just deliver performance, it adds flair. Optional illuminated dorso plates with the Manthey logo, customizable decals for the rear wheel covers, and towing loops in red, black, or yellow allow owners to personalize their car. After lap times. While Porsche has yet to confirm an official Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time, the company hints that the Manthey Kit will significantly improve track performance. Weather conditions have delayed testing, but expectations are high for record-breaking results. Availability and pricing. The Manthey Kit is available for order now, though deliveries outside Europe won't begin until March 2025. While the price tag will likely reflect its cutting-edge engineering, the unparalleled performance and exclusivity make it a must-have for serious track enthusiasts. With the Manthey Kit, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS transforms into a downforce-dominating track weapon. Combining form, function, and Porsche's signature engineering excellence, it's a dream package for those who live for speed and precision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.